Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Sola. We're coming to you from a client location, and if you had been following me, you see we talked about doing an all Victron Lithium solution. So let me show you the control room first, the control panel, the control room, and then I'll show you what we're looking to do. I have never seen this in a residential home. Okay, this is our first time of seeing one of these in a residential home. And it has an AVR and 3-phase electricity coming in. So what are we looking to do? How can we bypass this piece of equipment made by Siemens and run a single-phase inverter? Where we're not able to do that, then we have to do 3-phase. So what are we doing? So let's start with our batteries. Here are lithium-ion batteries. So let me give you a reference with my shoe. I wear a size 12 shoe. Let me see if I can have someone hold it while I put my shoe next to it. So here's my foot right next to it. So as you could see, the battery is almost as long as my shoe. And this packs 200 amp hours or 5,000 watt hours. Okay, which is pretty impressive. Right now we're doing 2 of these. When the installation is complete, we're going to have 8 of them. And then something else we're doing that we've not done before is work with the Lynx BMS slash BMS and what? What does it have? Okay, when I come to it, I'll explain. So the Lynx allows us to do our battery connection on this side and our charge and load connections on this side, and they're all fused. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're able to do 4 fused items. So in this case, we'll have our 3 Quattros if we do 3-phase, and our charge controllers. And then as we add additional charge controllers, we can either put it on top, or we can use a bus bar and then run the bus bar through this. Our batteries going here. So this allows us to run our batteries. And then the electronics are here. There's a cooling fan and there's a transformer. We've never done one of these before, so I'm very excited at being able to provide this level of protection while providing our customer with lithium-based power. So this is a battery management system. Even though the batteries themselves come with a battery management system, this comes with an additional battery management system. Here is our Quattro. You've seen the Quattro before, so I don't need to show it to you. And then this is my first time of using one of these in Nigeria. It is a smart Sola, 250 volts, 100 amp charger. So I could do up to 6 kilowatts of PV on this, and I could run my voltages over 200 volts. We've always been limited to 150. This time we're going to do 250 volts. What does that mean for me? So I'm using 290 watt panels and I have 12 of them. I could do 6 and 6. So I'll have 2 strings instead of having 3 strings which we currently have. And if I want to go higher, I could go higher. But for the sake of safety, we're only going to do 2 strings. And this sucker is heavy. It weighs, I don't know, but it weighs a lot. It's very, very heavy. So there it is. And it's pretty exciting. So that's it for now. Hopefully once we get a resolution to the issue we have with the Siemens control panel, then we'll either do an installation that's single phase or we'll be forced to do an installation that's 3-phase. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please click subscribe below. If you like what I'm talking about, give me a thumbs up. Once again, this is Dr. Sola coming to you from Lagos, Nigeria. Thank you for watching.